In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to turn $1 into $13.59 in an easy way. So yesterday I posted a YouTube video and some of my YouTube subscribers and some of my VIP Telegram subscribers messaged me, okay, commented on that video, okay, and I'm pretty sure they didn't watch that video till the end, so that they didn't understand the proper strategy, because I was talking about the two part. Okay, if strategy fails, then do this. If strategy is working, then do this. These two things I was talking about, and they may have skipped the video and directly learned the strategy when it's working and didn't watch. If it is not working, then what they need to do, they didn't watch it and made trade and they suffered some loss. Okay, and you don't do that kind of mistake. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. And I have like two Telegram channel. One is free Telegram channel where I provide free binary signals on a daily basis. You can join it. Okay, and in another Telegram channel, that is a VIP copy trading channel, where all of my VIP members automatically copies my trade. Whenever I make trade on my pocket option account, they copy with the help of social trading feature of this pocket option, okay, automatically in that account, in their account. And if you also want to copy my trades and don't want to get this headache of strategies, indicators, then you can join my VIP copy trading channel. All the description for joining VIP copy trading channel is also given in the free Telegram channel. Okay, you can read it and follow it. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Okay, let me explain you this strategy. It is extremely simple. Okay, whenever these candles are forming and this parabolic SAR. So firstly, let me not start in that way. Firstly, what you do is, all of this currency pair that are paying 92%, okay, make this favorite, okay, and all of these will appear at here. Once you do this much, then your candlestick should be of S30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. And then if it is clock, make sure you click on here and select S30, okay, and then make it flag, and then again click on here and make sure this plus S30 is selected, and then you can put the amount that you want to invest at here. Okay, and I am going to use the compounding strategy. So compounding means I invest $1, and if I'm a profit, I get profit, then it will be somewhat like $2. Again I invest that $2 and make it 4, again invest that 4, make 8. In that way I'm going to do compounding. Okay, and if you do not do compounding while trading binary options, then I would strongly suggest you to do the compounding. Okay, because compounding can literally give you huge return, okay, by risking lower amount of money. If you risk $1 or $5 per day and try to do compounding by using this strategy, and one time you get lots of trades, right, then you can even earn $500,000, $5,000, okay, with this $1. So do use compounding and listen to this strategy very carefully, because I am going to talk about two part, and I am also going to show both part. I'm also going to show you by doing compounding by using that both part of the strategy. Okay, so first thing you need to understand is these are the candles. Okay, whenever this okay, so if you want to put the parabolic SAR at here, then just click on here and put this parabolic SAR at here. You don't need to make any edit. Okay, it will be appear like this. Okay, so whenever the parabolic SAR is above these candles, then that means downtrend. Okay, and whenever the second dot is forming, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, similarly, whenever the parabolic SAR is below these candles, okay, that means it is an uptrend. Okay, and whenever you see the second dot forming, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on higher. So this is the simple strategy, right? Now what happens is, it doesn't work for 100% of the time, okay, and sometimes it doesn't work completely. Okay, so what you need to do is, before trading, you switch to your demo account, okay, and make some trades by following the exact strategy that I told you. If there is one dot, okay, then you make trade by if there is second dot is forming, make trade by clicking on lower. If here is second dot is forming, then make trade by clicking on higher. Now you make 5 to 10 trades, and then you see if that strategy is working or not. If not, then completely make that strategy opposite. So now what you can do is, you found out by trading on demo account that this strategy is not working. Then whenever the second dot is forming, previously you used to make trade by clicking on lower, now this time you make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and in any chart that is paying 92% payout. Similarly, if the parabolic SAR is below and this second dot is forming, now originally you need to make trade by clicking on higher, but If that is not working in your demo account, then make trade by clicking on lower. So now what I will do is I will exactly use this exact strategy by changing. No, I will sometime make trade by clicking on, so if this appears, then I'll make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so if this appears, I'll trade. If this second dot appears, I'll make trade by clicking on lower. That kind of thing I will do and show you by doing compounding. Okay, so watch this video very carefully and use your demo account firstly to practice this, okay, before trading in your real account. Okay, so that you will find out in the real time if this strategy is working or not. If it is not working in your demo account, then completely switch it up and start to make trade on opposite direction. Okay, so now I'll keep quiet and let's do compounding.